I guess my two older brothers are better batters than me, and so I think I just struggled to get them out, so I got better at bowling. Playing backyard cricket with my brothers. We'd play every day we could, back from school, night times, in the house, out the backyard, and doing that was so much fun, and it created a great skill in us and led to some future success. So I think that'd be my favourite memory. I think just the lounge room or the kitchen, whenever we had an event, my mum would just cook so much food, and being around the kitchen when we had a lot of people over, being like a Sri Lankan family, there was just the smells roaming around the kitchen. I think that was an awesome place to be. I saved up the money that I wanted to get a place. And at the time there was so much interest in houses and places were going for a lot, and I missed out on a few and I was quite upset, and then I found my place by surprise actually. I went and looked at a house and didn't like it, and I was already up in the hills and thought, why not just see what's around? And there was a thing at 4:30, so I went and looked at it and fell in love with it straight away, and yeah, luckily enough I was able to get it. I bought my house in December. My family were able to all come for Christmas. For the first time, I think it was in 4 or 5 years, we'd all been together for Christmas, and I only have 3 bedrooms and I had about 5 people at the house, and so I was out in the swag on the deck. That was a really nice moment for me to be able to share that. And Christmas, whole family, food, laughs, few beverages, it was awesome.